What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this amazing website that you guys can start using. Now it is very similar to Fiverr. If you guys don't know, that is a outsourcing website for any type of service that you do need. But this is Jungle Market, and this site is actually specifically for the Amazon niche or the doing Amazon FBA. So it's a site that's completely devoted to doing Amazon outsourcing or Amazon seller outsourcing and stuff. And it's absolutely a crazy website. I've went through a lot of things on it, and I think you guys should definitely take a look at this, especially if you're struggling trying to find your first Amazon FBA product, or you simply just don't know how to do your listing, or you don't know how to get your pictures good, or you just simply need photography taken up for your product, or you just need like a video for your product listing. So I'm going to go through this with you guys because honestly, this is probably the best thing that Jungle Scout has come out with, in my opinion, because this is going to help a lot of sellers, especially in 2019, and save them a lot of time when it comes to getting your product onto the marketplace, doing your product research, etc. Because if you guys don't know, product research is probably this is the most tough thing that you guys can do for Amazon. Everything else is very step by step, but product research seems to be taking people the longest and seems to be the most time consuming and difficult. So this site is really just going to help you guys out. I'm going to help you. I'm going to show you guys this really quickly. So it's called Jungle Market. If you go to this website right here, I'll probably leave it down in the description or something. But it's crazy as how many services that you guys can find on here. Like for me, when I clicked, let's go to Amazon Business. So if you see here, it turns into subcategories. So product research, product sourcing, consulting, branding services, shipping and freight forwarding. And what I'm doing right now is doing product research. I'm trying to find people on this website that can do product research for me. And I'm sure you guys probably use Fiverr to find people that can do product research for you, but at the same time, you got to remember those people, they're probably not as experienced as these people right here, because these people specifically do product research for Amazon FBA products. So they're probably a little bit more experienced, and as you can tell, they actually do have reviews and stuff in place to show that their services are legit and that they're good. So I would definitely check this out. So if you go into the next thing, they also do have photography, and this is something that I feel like is very important, especially for new sellers out there, because if you're trying to get into a product niche or a product market where a lot of people have good photos, it's going to be really hard if you're going to just try and take photos yourself, try to do all the Photoshop and stuff. It's going to waste a lot of time and money that you guys could be devoting towards something else, whether it's finding a new product or getting sourcing your product over, talking to suppliers. And while you're doing all this other stuff, you can source some other things out to these guys and save a lot more time. So this is definitely something that's going to be big in 2019. So as you can probably tell, product photography, lifestyle photography of each product here. And if you want, I'm gonna go ahead and click on the listing. So as you can see, 10 Amazon compliant images, 8 white background images and stuff. So if you guys don't know, white backgrounds are the same thing as transparent images. And they are very useful, because if you use like sites like Canva and you put those images on there, you're going to be able to move them all over the place for your specific pictures, put them wherever you want. You could make it look like somebody's holding your product in a picture. That's the beauty of transparent images. And probably a lot of you guys haven't had any much Photoshop experience, but people in here could probably just do it for you for very cheaply. So going on to the next thing is copy and translation. And this section right here is probably my second favorite, because if you think about it, guys, getting your bullet points done and doing your product description correctly when it comes to keyword optimization and your actual title for your product, that's very important. Because if you guys don't get that right, it's going to be hard to convert people that fall onto your listing. And we want to be really relatable and very connecting to the customer. We want to give them as much information about the product as we can, and also make it look like our product is for them as opposed to everyone else, and really make our product stand out. So that's why all these people are on here. Now, I'm not saying that you guys should just go on this website and just try and outsource everything. Of course, go on YouTube, or if you haven't gotten into some type of course, I would say go ahead and do that as well, because you need to learn this stuff. Just in case down in the future, you would have to do it all yourself. Let's say for whatever reason, Jungle Scout or Fiverr, the site shuts down, or you don't really have anyone to outsource to. You still need these type of skills, guys. Because in the end, it's just like, why would you want to run a business where you outsource everything to everyone else, but you don't know how to do it yourself? So you just have to keep that in mind, guys. So going on to the next thing, Amazon product listing, SEO, all these other people in here, you got to keep in mind that these people have been doing this for a long time, as you can probably tell by the reviews. So I would definitely check these guys out. And also graphic design and stuff, packaging design, infographics, logo design. I know a lot of you guys maybe have trouble with that. Think of a good logo or a good brand name. You can definitely check that out on this site. This site is very low key. I feel like not a lot of YouTubers are talking about it, which is why I wanted to shed a little bit more light on it. Now going on to the next thing, see digital marketing. I'm just trying to scroll through here, but this site is very, very similar to Fiverr, and the beauty is it's all Amazon related. So this is something that was a very good idea. It's probably Jungle Scout's the best idea I've seen yet. See listing optimization. Let me see here. Translation. But yeah, I will definitely be using their photography page, because they have a lot of good pricing here. And it seems like if you click on somebody's listing, I might go with this guy. If you look at their pictures, you could tell that, hey, this person knows exactly what they're doing. Like, look at this image right here. It's very, very nice. These type of professional photos, like, if you think about it, guys, it's very worth it. $250 for 10 photos. I think that's what it said, or yeah, I think it was 10 photos, professionally made photos. These are really going to help your listing out a ton, because I know how it is for a lot of you guys, maybe new sellers and stuff. When you try and figure out everything yourself or try to do everything yourself, you get really overwhelmed, and you basically just slow your business down, or you slow the progress down, which is something that we don't want to do, which is why I think this website is absolutely perfect and it's going to be game changing in 2019 if you guys use it correctly and really take this opportunity, because this site is absolutely amazing. I don't know, I'm guessing the site's going to be up for a while, or it's staying up. So I don't know if they're doing any major updates or anything like that, but I would definitely check this site out, guys. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to show you guys in this video, because this is something, the site's very simple to use and it's very useful. I've already made an order on it. I'm trying to find another product that I want to sort of gauge the market for, which people on the site can do that for you. Like, literally they can find a product in like 3 days if you pay them whatever their rate is on the site. So you guys should definitely check into this, especially if you're a new seller and you're just struggling with you're doing your product research right now. This will just save you a ton of time in the future. So with all that being said, guys, that's all I really want to talk about in this video. Make sure you check out this site. It's Jungle Market. They are directly affiliated with Jungle Scout, so make sure you guys check it out, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.